Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is non-YouTube video tracking. We have created a video of YouTube tracking, like how we can track our YouTube videos in our website. So I will link it in the description if you haven't watched it. And in this video, what we are going to do is, like in GTM you have option for YouTube embedded videos, especially it is given. And using the built-in feature that already comes pre-installed, you can like track YouTube videos. But what if your video aren't from YouTube, they are from a different platform? Let's say any third party platform. Let's say the current which I'm doing is a Vimeo platform. So let's see how we can do it for this, because every other platform will be the same as we are doing this video. So there's a website, this Bounteous. Okay, so here we are, Vimeo tracking for GTM. So this is the page. In the same way, you can search it for any other third party app. You can just type it their name and tracking for GTM. So you will find a website like that for everyone. And here are some things. This is a very creative way to define your site, like ingredients and recipes and all. So here we have tags and triggers and variables. So what we can do is we can download file from there here. So we will have our JSON file. Okay. My file looks this because I have installed a plugin. You may see it like this. Okay, this is the path form for GTM for JSON files. So here are instructions given, like download container file, which we already had downloaded. You can right click and save as. Okay, and save it as you like. Okay, and then import JSON file into GTM. Okay, update with your own tracking ID and preview and publish. Okay, so these are very easy steps. We come to our Google Tag Manager. Okay, go to admin, and here you can see import container. Go to import container, select choose container file. So we have just downloaded our JSON file. So downloading, and you can choose your new workspace or existing workspace, whatever. So I'm choosing the existing workspace. Actually, what is, I have already created three workspace. That is why the new options is disabled. Okay, so let's work on our default workspace. And see, here we have two options, overwrite and merge. Overwrite option, what it does is it removes all your existing codes, existing content of, if you are using the same, you can say JSON file or the same third party app, so it may override the previous things. So if you are someone who needs to save its data, okay, so I must suggest you go with merge. And as we are using it for the first time, so overwrite won't be a problem for us, so we will choose overwrite and then confirm. Okay, so what it did is, yeah, we have some plugins which are installed, not plugins actually. See, you can see them as in last edited few seconds. Okay, so this this debug mode, video action, data layer variable, video name, and event tracking, and Luna Metrics plugin. It is a folder, so you can come and check the folder. This is a very nice option to create a folder so that you can have everything here. So these are our tracking plugins, Luna Matrix, Vimeo, and you can check them out before it says then that update with your own tracking ID. And also, I would like you to check if the particular tag is what you actually require. Then preview and publish after testing. So go to the tags, check them, how you wanna work with them. Here you will add your own tracking ID. If you can also disable the overriding features if you want so, and then you can check on the data layer variables, like if you want to change the name here. Okay, and this thing about this is you can access the further attribution using this dot, but if you are using version 1, then this feature isn't available. Okay, so here's the custom code for this. This is a pretty long code, you must have a look at once. So we have multiple functions over here. Script tag ID is also given. This is nice. And okay, ready steady. We have event listeners here. Then we have multiple functions which may be called or may not be. So and it will load on all pages. Okay. So this is a way you can use to track your applications. You can use to track your videos when you are when you want to track your videos from a third party apps. Okay, so we need to add our tracking ID here, then it will work. Okay, so we have a lot of. So these are the things that are very much similar to one I did. Like Loom is famous, Vistia is famous, and I don't know about others. You may have heard of them. Okay, so all these are done in the very same way that I did. So this was it for this video. I will link this website in the description, and thank you.